Coming up, I'm going to be talking you through a huge Disney Primark haul, so keep watching to find out what I got. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel all about Aoife. I'm Aoife and today I'm going to be talking you through a huge Disney Primark haul. I know you guys really loved my last Disney Primark haul and I thought why not do another one for you guys if you loved it so much, and I'm obsessed with Disney stuff and of course Primark as well. It's always been one of my favourite stores, so I thought that I would just do another haul, any excuse to do a haul for you guys, and I got loads and loads of fun goodies this time and I cannot wait to share them with you. Okay, so without further ado, I'm going to start on my first item, and I'm going to show you these first because my feet are cold, and I'll explain why that makes sense in a second. So these are, of course, what could they be? Only slippers, and these fab slippers are of course Beauty and the Beast themed. We have Chip and Mrs. Potts. Everyone was going crazy for Chip and Mrs. Potts and still is, and I'm loving that Primark are still doing loads of stuff that's themed like this, and these slippers are just absolutely gorgeous. These aren't brand new because as soon as I got them I just had to take the tag off and start wearing them, and I want to put them on my feet right now, so that's why I wanted to show you guys them first. And they are just so gorgeous. You can see they have this gold trim on the outside, they have this kind of like floral print underneath as well of like little pink roses. They have the fur here as well to keep your toes nice and warm, and they definitely do. And I just love the detail, the embroidery as well. They look really expensive, and these were only €6, can you believe? So an absolute bargain, you cannot go wrong. I think I might be going back to get another pair before they all go out of the store because I think they're just really cute, and I love the pink as well. And anything with Chip on it I wear. And I also got a pair of pyjamas there before Christmas which had Chip on them. I'm going to pop these on by the way. And they are just so fab. So these slippers go perfectly with them. And I'm sure a lot of you guys have the kind of Chip stuff because it's just everywhere and you can't avoid it. Okay, so keeping with that theme, and next up in my haul, I cannot believe I finally got my hands on one, guys. It is of course the Chip mug. It only took me about 6 months to get one of these, but I finally got one, and it was just by chance. I was just there, and next minute I was going up the escalator with my mum. My mum was like, oh my god Aoife, look, and down the bottom of the escalator was loads of Chip cups. So instead of just going upstairs and doing what I was going to do, I went straight back down on the escalator to make sure that I got one and I didn't miss out this time. And I'm going to take him out to show you guys because he's just so gorgeous. It was only €5, would you believe? I don't know, I think there might have been 6 when they were first brought out, so €5, and he is just so gorgeous. I cannot get enough of little Chip. I think I should have bought a set of 4 so then I can have a little tea party with them. So I'll have to keep an eye out now and see if they brought them back in again, because I think they're all gone at the moment. I'm not sure, they sold out really quickly anyway, but these are just so cute. I love Chip, and I'm so finally happy that I got my hands on him. And to go with him, again, keeping with the theme, is of course Mrs. Potts. Now she is not the teapot, I couldn't get my hands on the teapot, but this is just as good. This is a fab little money box, and I actually put money in it already, would you believe, because there was a change lying around my room and I thought I would get rid of it, and what better thing to put it in than Mrs. Potts. She's so cute, and of course, yeah, you can get your money back by opening the underneath here. She's all enclosed on the top, and then of course the little thing here for you to put your money in. But isn't she just so cute, and she's such a nice size as well. So you know, you can pop your holiday fund in there, maybe a shoe fund, or maybe just money, so that you can buy a Disney haul, do a Disney haul just like me and have some fun in Primark like I did, getting all this fun stuff. So yeah, there is Mrs. Potts. Let's pop her back in there. Oh, she was only, oh, the tag is missing. I think she was around €6-7 mark, I'm not sure. Yeah, she wasn't too expensive anyway. Nothing in Primark is ever too expensive, and the Disney stuff isn't either. That's why I love it so much, and that's why I just keep going back. So I have a couple more items to show you guys. I'll save the best for last. Next up is these fab socks. They are Aladdin themed, and I wouldn't say Aladdin is one of my fave Disney movies, but I just thought these were so nice. And sometimes the sock liners can be a bit weird because I like to wear kind of muted plain colours like on my feet, if that makes sense. Actually these would go perfectly with what I'm wearing today. So I saw that they had like a black one on the back, which black always comes in great, and this gold details. They have the lamp and the stars. That is really, really cute. And then of course the first one is the genie, and I like these because they're blue and gold. They're quite simple, and it actually says something. It says, oh, you have 3 wishes. So I'll be going around with the genie on my feet, and then he is on the second one as well. He's also there in a poof of smoke, and these are cream and blue with the gold as well. I just thought the colours were really nice and something that I definitely wear. And these are only $3.50, as I said, for 3 liners. So really, really, really cheap. And they have loads of Disney themed stock liners in at the moment. They have like Alice in Wonderland, Lilo and Stitch. They have so many to choose from. I really didn't know what to pick. But yeah, I thought these were best for me because I'll wear them all the time. So I'm so excited that I got these guys. And the last item in my Disney Primark haul, I said I was going to save the best for last, and I definitely did. Wait till you guys see this. I'm just going to close it up so you get the full effect. It is a little mini Disney backpack, and my favourite part of it has to be the little keyring that comes attached. It is of course the Mickey glove hand, and it is just so cute. And of course you have Mickey here, and he's kind of in this sketch on the front of the bag, and you've got a really big pocket in the front, so lots of room for all your stuff in there. All the gold detailing, you've got the gold zip, you've got the gold at the back as well, these nice big extendable arms, so you can store all your stuff in here, which is, it's actually really big in there as well. And I just thought the red was so fab. I love red accessories, and I thought this was a really kind of classy little Disney bag. Sometimes they can be a bit childish for me, but this one I thought was definitely on point and up my alley, and I'll definitely be wearing this. And that is it, guys. That is my fab Disney haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it today. If you have and you'd like to see more things like this on the channel, then please do let me know. Give me a big thumbs up, comment below, and of course hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I'll see you again real soon, guys. Thanks for watching my Disney Primark haul. Bye bye.